The only sector that I'm interested in Singapore right now is the tech and the gloves. The only sector that I'm interested in Singapore right now is the tech and the gloves. Singapore also got glove stocks, like Top Glove. Okay. Top Glove, I will talk a lot about it when I go through the Malaysia version. Okay, Malaysia. So you must stick around. Okay, so this is a Top Glove Singapore stock. So I have a lot of story about this Top Glove, but I just want to show you that this is the Top Glove that you can buy in Singapore. Now, Top Glove, COVID-19, the infection, second wave, third wave is hitting US, is hitting Europe. Okay, so definitely it will persist. It's just that over the last 2 months, it has been very, very frustrating for a lot of glove shareholders because it refused to go higher despite the companies has been reporting solid earnings. I'm talking about 160% growth, 270% growth, 100% earnings per share growth, that kind of performance, yet it cannot go up. Okay, so we have to be patient with these stocks. Later, for the Singapore shareholders who are interested in glove stocks, you hear my explanation later when I talk about the Malaysia gloves. So together it's easier. Now this UG Healthcare, one of the glove stocks that you can participate in, okay, and you have got RIVERSTONE. So for me personally, I just want to share with you what I have so that you know when I talk too much about one stock, maybe I'm biased, okay, then at least I declare to you that I have interest in it, which is the RIVERSTONE and also the Top Glove. So let me show you RIVERSTONE first, okay, but let me give you my reason why I like RIVERSTONE. Now, RIVERSTONE before COVID-19 is already a very good stock. Now, this is my tool. All these are my kacang, my tool for me to look for stock and analyze them. So to get this FA, you click this FA, you will get this. Okay, like for example, there are so many stocks here. Which one to trade? Which one to check? Also, I use this FA tool to help me. RIVERSTONE, I check the fundamentals. Okay, no red color means no danger, no need to go and look anymore. So pass. Now, most importantly, RIVERSTONE is a company that does semiconductor. Okay, you can see the semiconductor work inside. Semiconductor, there you go. Semiconductor and healthcare industry. So they supply gloves to these two industry. Now, semiconductor sector itself is growing this year, 2020 and 2021. Okay, so later I will explain to you why this sector is growing and we expect these companies to report more earnings, okay, better earnings. And healthcare, okay, healthcare because of COVID-19 confirm all the gloves are in demand. So therefore healthcare. So this stock, remember, before COVID is already very profitable. Now COVID comes, they experience increase in orders, okay, increase in orders. So their earnings is expected to be way, way better than what we are seeing now. Therefore, RIVERSTONE is a company I want to own. Okay, therefore RIVERSTONE is a company I want to own. So you can see the chart after it reported solid earning, it went up, okay, and now it's pulling back. So when it's pulling back, this is actually a good time to buy more RIVERSTONE. Okay, to buy more. I think it's going to go for stock split. Is it stock split bonus share? Yes, RIVERSTONE is going to go for bonus shares as well. Haven't passed the AGM yet. Okay, so once it passes AGM, I think it will announce when it will do the bonus shares issues. Okay, so this is RIVERSTONE. When to buy? Definitely not now because we do not see the buyers in control. If you are here many times listening to me, you know I always look for buyer in control in terms of price action before I want to buy a stock. Otherwise, I will leave it alone. Okay, I will leave it alone. So you go to the weekly chart. Okay, multi-time frame analysis. Now, weekly chart is painting you a very bullish picture right now. Okay, so you can imagine this stock, if where's my pencil? Okay, if it goes on an uptrend, it's going to go up from here. Okay, I'll just do some forecasting for you. This is how an uptrend looks like, right? Uptrend looks like. So this is suspected to be a minor low in the uptrend. Okay, but we cannot just buy because of what I draw here. So when do we want to buy it? Okay, so for those of you who are members right here, I think I have said it many times. Okay, why my eraser? Okay, so when do we buy it? We want to buy it when we see the first bullish candle based on price action. We want to see the first bullish candle that tell us that the correction, the pullback is over. Okay, so that will be the time to buy Riverstone. When will it happen? I don't know. Okay, nobody knows. But what we can do is we wait for it to come in every single week, the candle to show us. Then only we buy when we see it. Okay, this is the daily chart. So it will happen on the daily chart first, and then you confirm on the weekly charts. Okay, so right now no signs to buy yet. So I will not I will not advise. Sorry, can I use the word advice? I will not think it's a good time to just guess the low and just buy. Okay, so this is not my style, so I will tell you not to do it as well. Okay, so this is for Riverstone. Now, MEDTECS, also one of my favorite. Now, MEDTECS is the stock that is not doing gloves. MEDTECS is the stock that is doing medical, okay, medical supplies to the hospital. I don't think gloves, but any other thing fall under MEDTECS. So their earnings reported was like 1,000% up. Okay, 1,000% up. So if you're talking about the equivalent of MEDTECS in Bursa, then it has to be D Pharma, that kind of company. They supply directly to the hospital, LKL, you know. But Bursa got more options. You got LKL, you have got D Pharma for the medicines, you have got Asia Ply, no. I cannot recall the names right now. Okay, because I stay away from them already. Okay, after the crazy limit updates in August, I already stay away from them. So MEDTECS. Okay, so MEDTECS, you can see that the volume is building up right here. So you can see MEDTECS right here, you can see that it's very bearish. It come down. Okay, now when it come down, it break this. This is the very clear support 118. The whole world knows. So long you know a little bit of technical analysis, you will know 118 is the support. Okay, now this is what happened in stock market. It will purposely break support. So when you are doing charting, you are doing analysis, you have to factor this in your consideration that the support is going to break. After it break, what happened next is your clue whether this stock can continue to go up or not. So that is something that you want to learn tonight as well. Okay, so don't just use support. Oh, I buy near support. Stop loss, put a few bits below support. Don't do that, please. That one, whole world know how to do it. Even the smart money will also know. Stock operator will also know. They will purposely trigger your stop. Those of you who has been hurt by such action before, give me a like. Give me a like. So you understand what I'm talking about. Don't use support and resistance this way. That one is like primary school. You will get hurt. Okay. In theory, in the books, in YouTube videos, everywhere, they will say, draw and then put some bits below the support resistance. Try it. You try it. You yourself try it. You know it doesn't work. So don't do that. Okay. You will gonna whipsaw by the stock market. So what you want is you observe. It break down and it's now go up. So this is what we call overshoot of support. And now when it go up on increasing volume, it means that it is time to pay attention to this stock. Okay, so I'm waiting for my favorite setup to happen into the near future before I buy the stock. Okay, in fact, today we have a signal on this stock. I have my trading plan together with my members. Okay, they receive real-time alerts from me. So let me just share with you how I help my members. MEDTECS 11 hours ago, so this is today. So as discussed, please, for your info about the same. Those of you from the IT line, you will know, please, for info about the same. This is a classic Sika statement. Yeah? So this is the trading plan. Okay, scenario A, scenario B. Okay, so you can see very clearly, you need to paint scenario. What is going to happen to the stock if you do this, when you do that? So we are waiting. Okay, we are waiting for it to show us more clues before we want to buy, because this is the first bounce out of the downtrend. Okay, now the other thing that you want to pay attention to is before this white candle, this is no buyer in control kind of chart. This is selling, selling, selling all the way. So now with these two candles, the picture starts to change. Okay, the picture starts to change and it may turn bullish soon. Now, the other thing is, before you want to buy a stock, be it MEDTECS or Top Glove or Riverstone, okay, you must ask yourself this question, even Notion. Okay, ask yourself this question. Why will your stock go up? Okay, you must have a reason, a catalyst. We call it in trading terms, a catalyst. What is the catalyst for this stock? Is there a reason for the stock to go up? If you are not sure, Okay, catalyst means it can be a contract win, it can be some government policy change. Okay, it can be the earnings is very strong, or this stock is in the semiconductor industry, and semiconductor over at US, AMD just reported 100% increase in EPS. Wow! This means that this stock has got very, very good potential, and therefore it has the catalyst to go higher. Okay, so this is what I mean by catalyst. So MEDTECS, what is the catalyst? What is the catalyst? Come, everybody tell me, what is the catalyst? MEDTECS. Good earnings, lockdown in Europe, healthcare. Those of you who are members will know. More COVID cases. Highlight. You are right. You are right. All of you are right. Smart traders you are. Smart traders you are. You deserve to be rich. Okay, you deserve to be rich. MEDTECS. Okay, take a look at the earnings. Can you see this?
Wow.
COVID. Because of COVID, look at their earnings. Boom. This is not a bug in Chart Nexus software, please. This one is the real earnings of COVID. 1,000% increase. Okay, 1,000% increase. So this is COVID. Okay, after COVID, this is the earnings of MEDTECS. That is why we expect it to continue to go up. Now, based on my PIPS calculation, if you have come to this webinar sometime back, okay, if you come to my PIPS calculation, it should trade about 180. Okay, it should trade about 180. That is the target. So when it's shoot above 180, $192, that one is too high to buy, cannot buy. Okay, even if you have to protect your profit. Okay, I heard MEDTECS. See, CNBC reported. Okay, I heard the MEDTECS, the earnings should be updated by 3rd week of October. Okay, 3rd week of October. I stand to be corrected, but this is what I think I remember. Okay, so this is one stock to pay attention to right here. Okay, the clue, the setup to buy.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel and open the bell to get the notification of our new video. Also like and follow our Facebook page.